miles out of town. He's crazy, said the neighbors. I was white, she was brown. We just ran to the river and lay our bodies down. Between the sighs of love, away the lies that followed us around. Margarita, Margarita, the softness of your body and the hunger in your soul are the only secrets I'll ever know. Margarita, we grew up together while our families were grand, and the shadows never touched the places where we ran. But as the years went drifting by, the harvest turned to sand. She went away, I had to stay and never understand. Margarita, Margarita, the softness of your body and the hunger in my soul are the only secrets I'll never know. Margarita, sometimes in the evening, at the closing of the day, I look down in the valley where we used to live. And now there's just a whisper of an old familiar name. Marguerite, I'd give anything to see if you still look the same. Margarita, Margarita, the softness of your body and the hunger in my soul are the